Okay, here's my new Samsung washing machine. It's all of 24 hours old here. And it's got this weird grinding noise that kind of comes on and off kind of randomly, it seems like, during the spin cycle, during the first parts of the spin cycle. And you also hear the same noise when you do this calibration, which is to uh, balance the weight. Uh, And the calibration is you hit the power button and then you hit temperature and soil at the same time. Hold it for 3 seconds. Calibration and then hit start. And listen to this first grindy noise. So I don't know if that's normal, but I hear that come off and on during the spin cycle. And notice the tub was not spinning at all. So I don't know what that motor was that was activating, and whether it was a pump to drain the liquid out. But the actual spinning part I think is okay. And it's going to go through a couple of spins to evaluate the balance and I guess the weight distribution or something. But this takes about 3 minutes for this calibration phase. So I'll stop it there, but that sounds okay. It just sounds like a magnetic, motor energizing. So that first grinding noise, I don't know what that is, but Samsung's going to come out here and evaluate it. I just don't know if it's normal or not. All right.